Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. The A3 report is a standardized way in which you can report out the current status and progress of a specific, usually it's a project. A3 is the metric size of a piece of paper. So the idea is that you want to have whatever you're going to report out on a single page. That's it. You got to keep it simple. So you might have information about the project leader, the objectives, the current state, the future state, your specific milestones, and whatever progress you're making. An A3 basically means it's a single page, it's everything you need to know about the project, and it's everything you really need to communicate about the project to the sponsors you're working with and the team you're working with to implement it. You got to keep it simple on a single page, and that's the power of the A3. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.